This is my unboxing and testing of this card-size AirTag tracking device that I purchased on an online shopping app. But before that, kindly hit that button below, like and subscribe, as well as your comments is highly appreciated. So the product's name is Loshall Card. I purchased this at around €10, which quite expensive, but compared to AirTag of Apple brand, well, this is much cheaper. Yet it has the same function as Apple AirTag can. So in the box, it has this, a bunch of papers, which for me is a bit useless. Why can't we put all the necessary information on the box itself, like a QR code? By scanning on it, we can have all the necessary information, like an online manual, since we are on a digital era now, just to lessen the use of paper. Please, Apple, do the first move, since everyone will follow. Just to be clear, this tracking device works only to an Apple iOS devices that uses the Find My App application. You may scan this QR code, so it will directly go to Find My App on your Apple smartphone. And here's this AirTag tracking device, which it is the same size of an ATM card, but a bit thicker than a bit, which though it perfectly fit on the wallet. So this is made of a plastic material, and on this side, a power button and the light indicator is located. And because this device uses a built-in battery, which supports wireless charging capabilities, then on this side, a wireless charging function is positioned. So how to connect this device into your Apple smartphone? Then long press the power button of this AirTag device, and in the app, press the item button. On the upper part, press the plus sign, then press the other item. Wait till the card model appears, and when it is, then press connect. Then name the item you want it to monitor and put the corresponding logo that represent the item. So, how to know the status of the battery? Then, on the app, under the name of the AirTag is the battery health status. And if you're worried about how long it will last for a fully charged battery, well, all I can say, it is impressive and worth buying for. And in the instances you've misplaced your things and the location was located, but still you can't find the device, then press play sound to locate the exact location. For the record, the device is with me, and I am roaming around the area. And to test if the GPS works properly, so check this out. Well, in my opinion, nowadays that the technologies is keep on upgrading for security and safety, keeping our belongings safe in track, traveler, or a daily security usage, then this device is so useful. In terms of the design, for me, it is perfect. It doesn't consume so much space compared to those rounded shape, which it is bulky and represent as a tracker. Unlike this, it is more discreet. And for the function, well, the accuracy of the location is excellent. Battery endurance is superb. This device can be used on any personal belonging that you wanted to protect, and indeed, it is worth buying for. And that's it, reaching up until this video. Then thank you so much. Kindly support my channel, like and subscribe, as well as your comments is highly appreciated. See you on my next video.